Hi Gemini, Star with Ariana Stark. This is another monthly forecast for the month of October 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use these oracle decks that I have here. This is Archangel Raphael to wrap up the reading. Geminis, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Before I proceed, I'd also like to thank you for being a part of this journey. Thank you for all your support. Let's just dive into your reading, Gemini. Towards the final days of September, stepping into October 2021, we have the Ten of Cups. This was a very productive period. These final days was marked by contentment. Creation had also come in these days, though there were some minor worries as well. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Three of Cups. Geminis, you need to socialize, you need to network. Networking will bring in clients for you this month. Maybe you should promote yourself on the social media. This is a very light-hearted energy. You will be socializing, but then on account of socializing, you may feel that time is at a premium or that it is going to eat into your work hours. Incidentally, I'm also picking up that you could be concerned about your children or younger people. Influences for this month, Geminis, we have the Queen of Swords. You're going to be coming across as someone who's quite aloof and ice cool. Maybe you're preferring to keep to yourself. You don't want to explain yourself, but then there could be issues with your mother or there could be some misunderstandings as well. I think your focus primarily this October is on your work. Even if you're unsure, you will get on and get going. You will rush and do the task and you'll be happier because you're going to complete a lot of work. This is also the Swords energy, which is your energy, so you should avoid misunderstanding or miscommunication. The first 10 days of October for Geminis, we have the Judgment card. Karma is certainly at play in your life, but we did clarify Judgment and we have the Seven of Pentacles. In all likelihood, you will be planning about the future. You will be making gains. I think you should ask for an increase from your boss or your superior. Even while dealing with clients, I think you should bargain or you should ask for more. Many of you could also be investing in gadgets, but sometimes you may purchase those accessories, but then you will realize it was no point putting your money in that. Nevertheless, I think profits will also come in on account of investments that you had made in the past. Even if you're applying for a job, I think you should quote a higher price, as this is a time when you will make those inroads. In case you're already working, I think you're going to plan for the future. Maybe you should also be very firm while dealing with clients, because there could be some clients who want to take undue advantage of your generosity. Maybe your junior will step in and put that client in place. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th October, we have the Nine of Swords. This is the time when you'll have to step in and take charge, because responsibility is also going to increase. Maybe staff are unavailable or there are absent colleagues. That is why it falls on your shoulders. That is why you may feel a bit burdened and stressed out. Maybe your health could also be a cause for concern here. You should cover up on your sleep as well, Geminis, because you see this lady or she seems to be wide awake at night, or she is thinking about something. This is the time when you're going to be quite restless as well. You will have to be up and about. It's not exactly going to be smooth sailing. However, some respite is there on the cards. In case you're making your way for an interview, I think you'll come away bagging that job. But then your expectations may not be met when it comes to payment or when it comes to your remuneration. In case you're in the leadership position, you should be careful, because you may feel as though your deputy or your junior is unethical. Maybe this junior wants to make a cut while dealing with clients. That is why you want to deal directly. Other than that, Gemini, you should also be careful, because knives are being sharpened behind your back. Your rival could also try to malign you. Maybe you feel a bit lost as well in this time. Towards the final days of October, that is towards 21st to 31st October, we have the Sun card. I think you will be blowing hot and cold. Your temperament could be quite suspect. Maybe you shouldn't overreact to situations. Maybe you should think things over. It's best to be diplomatic and to thrash those issues if your bothered on account of something. Oftentimes, you may also feel that you're sacrificing yourself, but then the colleague may think that you're the one who saddles her with excess work. Perhaps it's time to switch responsibilities. Incidentally, you will come away feeling lighter, Gemini, so you should do the same. Some of you could also be thinking of your long-term future. Maybe there could be a work offer for a side business or a side hustle. While working also, you're somebody who's wanting to rush headlong, but you should ensure that there are no errors in your work, because when we are hasty, we end up making mistakes. As the saying goes, haste makes waste. That is why you could end up doing the task all over again. There could also be those delays on account of malfunctioning gadgets. Perhaps that is why you're going to invest in a gadget this month. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think you'll be quite firm while dealing with your workers who are laid back. You don't like chaos and disorder. You want everything to be systematic as well. However, you're also somebody who is going to make allowances for your juniors. Many of you could also be thinking about having a home of your own this month. Perhaps nature could also soothe your nerves, because the sun is asking you to go outdoors. With respect to your love life, Geminis, I have this card, Diamond, which talks about promise. Possibly, Geminis, many of you want a formal proposal from your person. You want commitment. That is why you are going to question him about the status of this relationship. You want to go the distance with this person. Incidentally, Geminis, I'm also picking up that you're going to be somebody who's quite a heartbreaker. Maybe you're going to leave your suitors despondent this month because you're going to spurn their advances. In case yours is an unacknowledged relationship, you definitely want this person to acknowledge his feelings for you. Geminis, in relationships, you need to be careful with your words. Sometimes you could say something which is unpalatable. That is why your person could overreact. And this could make you question your own self-worth. For some Geminis, I'm also picking up that there could be rejection, or your offer of love could be spurned, because we do have the Nine of Swords here, which talks about distress or some kind of a stressful situation that you're dealing with. Maybe you're going to question your own self-worth because of the same. Anyhow, romancing Geminis, I think you will have a fruitful exchange. Maybe yours is a secret romance, so you could be a bit hassled because family elders could get a whiff of your relationship. Maybe somebody could talk about your secret romance with family elders. That is why you are a bit hassled. On the other hand, those of you who are married, I think you should be more tolerant of each other. Your spouse's health could also be a cause for concern here, or even your child's health. As parents also, you may be wondering because your children desire financial independence. Last card in this reading, Geminis, is good night's sleep. We did talk about you being stressed out, so Archangel Raphael is asking you to get 8 hours of sleep. Maybe you need to go to a retreat, or you should make yourself to a quiet corner of the house and cover up on your sleep. Besides, the quality of your sleep is connected to your health as well. Ideally, Gemini, you should ask Archangel Raphael to help you get that good night's sleep this month. I hope, Geminis, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.